Hello everyone, welcome back to Literature and Ideology from Introducing Literature. Let us have a quick recap of the portions we have studied in the last class. In the last class, we have learned how language exert power. I have shown you several examples which demonstrates the male-centeredness in language. For example, using the word man for all humankind, using the word master with a positive meaning, usage of the word mistress with a negative meaning, differences in the connotations of using the word man and woman in remember you are a man, remember you are a woman, etc. And then we discussed the term interpellation introduced by Louis Althusser. Interpellation is a process in which we encounter our culture's values and internalizes them, becomes a part of our life. And we have also read a passage from Arundhati Roy's novel God of Small Things, which shows how untouchability is portrayed, which exhibits how the dominant class reinforce the existing power relation between dominant class and lower class. So now let us continue. In page number 86 and 87 of the textbook, you can see a passage. The passage is taken from the famous novel Jane Eyre, written by the English novelist Charlotte Bronte. What the passage is about. The story of Jane Eyre is narrated by Jane Eyre herself in the first person. She is in love with Mr. Rochester. However, Rochester is going to marry Miss Ingram. The gender relations in Victorian England is visible from the passage. Let us see a few lines. See, this is Jane Eyre saying, I saw he was going to marry her. Her means Miss Ingram. I saw he was going to marry her for family, perhaps political reasons, because her rank and connections suited him. I felt he had not given her his love, and that her qualifications were ill adapted to win from him that treasure. This was the point. This was where the nerve was touched and teased. This was where the fever was sustained and fed. She could not charm him. I will explain. From the words of Jane Eyre, the social and gender status of men of that period is evident. For example, see the lines, I felt he had not given her his love, and that her qualifications were ill adapted to win from him that treasure. Jane Eyre says that Miss Ingram's qualifications are not enough to win his love, which is a treasure. His love is regarded as something so precious. Jane goes on to say that she could not charm him. The capitalized words also show how a Victorian woman, that is Jane Eyre, has internalized the male importance prevailed in the Victorian society. It is expected that a woman should charm a man. So, this is how readings are done. This is how we find out the power relations or gender relations embedded in textbook. You should read it very carefully in order to understand this hierarchy, power hierarchy. Hierarchy means power ups and down, or the lower class and higher class. This levels are portrayed. You should read very carefully in order to understand that. A casual reading will not reveal it. Now stop and think for a while. Have you noticed how black and Dalit women are oppressed and marginalized? You can see a column here. This is white race and this is black race. You know that white race is considered superior. White race is considered superior to black race, and this is indicated by this symbol. The open side shows that, the big side shows that the superior one, so-called superior one, and the small side shows the so-called inferior. So within the white race there is black man, within the white race there is the white man and white woman. You know that man is considered as superior and woman is considered as inferior, and within the white race there is superiority and inferiority, and within the black race as well there is superior. Black man is considered superior and black woman is considered inferior, and in between the both races there is a superiority inferiority symbol. So now you can evaluate the position of women. Black women, they are lowest in that hierarchy, in that level. The symbol, uh, this particular symbol is used to show the superiority and inferiority. White is considered superior to black, which is denoted by this symbol. Within white race, white man is considered superior and white woman is considered inferior. Within black race also the same male superiority can be seen. So within the black community the black male is considered superior and black woman is considered inferior. You can see that the black women are more oppressed. So the position of black woman is the lowest. She is doubly oppressed. Doubly oppressed means she is oppressed as a woman and she is oppressed as a black as well. This is a picture of Maya Angelou. In page number 88, a passage from Maya Angelou's autobiographical essay, Graduation, is given. Remember that Maya Angelou is a black woman. It tells about Maya Angelou's graduation period. How a white person, Don Levy, exposed that they belonged to the community of maids, farmers, workers, and washerwomen. So this is an example of how a black woman is oppressed as a woman and as a black. We will stop here for a while and we'll continue the discussion in the next class. Thank you.